How are you doing, everybody? My name is Gilbert Saumada and welcome to the third video that I'm doing in English. I'm happy to have you here. Thanks for your support. And if you're wondering who I am, I'm Gilbert Saumada, as I said, the CTO of Sherry. So I'm doing this video for documenting the process of the startup. If you want to know more about Sherry, go to sherry.social. We are developing the standard for mini apps. Those mini apps can be shared on social, so you can interact with the blockchain without going out of the social platform. So for example, X, you can interact with the blockchain directly on X. If you want to swap a token, send a tweet or things like that. I'm gonna be telling you more about this because we are announcing our beta. If you read the title of the video, we'll burn the ships and we'll announce our beta. So our beta is already announced, but I'm going to be telling you a little bit more about it. I'm also doing these videos because I'm studying English here in England. I did it for 3 weeks here in London. I just finished. Today is Saturday night, and yesterday, Friday, was my last day of those 3 weeks. So I hope my pronunciation has improved compared to the first video. And next week I'm going to Cannes. If some of you guys are going to Cannes, I say Cannes. I think in English it's Cannes. I don't know. And in French I think it's Cannes. I don't know. Anyway, you know what I mean. I hope to see you there. I'll be happy to chat with some of in real life. If some of you guys are going to the event, it's gonna be huge. I'm gonna be judging projects for chaining during the last 3 days of the event, which is the global event. It's just a hackathon. I'm gonna be helping you if you have doubts. I hope to see you there building something interesting using chaining. And regarding the video, as I said before, I wanted to explain you what burn the ships means. I was looking on internet and I took this phrase from the history of Alejandro Magno. So he wanted to conquer the entire world. He was conquered. I think he conquered most of the European side, also Africa. I don't remember the whole history, but I only care about the phrase. So he was in one of the journeys. He arrived with his army in some bay, and then he said to his generals, burn the ships. What does this mean? There was no plan B. It was win or die. So currently we are in this position in Sherry. Why? There is something that is called runway. Which is basically how many months you can pay all the bills. So salaries, bills, external services, and so on. So we have 2 months left. This is our runway, 2 months. So as I mentioned before, I'm doing this video documenting the process of Sherry, and I think this is really important to communicate, to say, obviously we already spoke this with the rest of the team. We told them, guys, unfortunately we are only able to pay you salary for the next 2 months, but however, we are doing all is in our hands in order to raise 500k to keep building the product, to keep building sharing, to keep paying the salaries. But we have to be 100% transparent with the team, with everybody, and as I said, we have to let them know the actual state of Sherry, the startup. But this is probably one of the hardest things that you have to go through as an entrepreneur, as a founder of a startup. This is something that we all know. It is something that we have to go through, but this doesn't mean that we are done, that we finish here. No, it doesn't mean that. I'm just telling you the actual state of Sherry. But we are doing everything that is in our hands in order to raise money. We are working with different partners. We are talking with investors. As I said, we announced our beta. It's going to be in 1 month at the end of July. So if you see here the website, sign up for the beta. Basically, what we're gonna do for our beta, we have a product that we call chat. This chat will allow content creators or KOS, will help them to monetize their audience. How? So you basically send a prompt to the chat. The chat will be creating mini apps on behalf of you as a KOL, as a user. We'll have different mini apps. So for example, if you want to promote your token, if you want to promote a token, you have the possibility to develop a mini app. So you're not going to develop the mini app. You're going to have the mini app right away, just writing down some words. So I want to create a mini app that swaps adverts to any token, ERC20 token, on this chain, on this protocol, and that's it. And then you're gonna be able to monetize your audience. You can share the URL of this mini app on social, on Twitter, and your audience will have the option to interact with the mini app and execute a transaction from X. So if you are a KOL and you wanna be part of the beta, or if you are just a user that want to test it out, give it a try, we'll be announcing everything very, very soon. Don't forget to sign up for the beta. Here on the website, we already have more than, I think, 3,000 signups that are waiting for few emails that we're gonna be sending. We are also going to do some dynamics here. We're gonna show the possibilities that you have by using Cherry protocol, different options. So we are doing a lot of things in order to achieve our goal. So as I said, we're gonna burn the ships because there is no plan B, there is only plan A. So I'm being transparent here, telling you guys that there is an option that we are not going to be able to continue, but there is no plan B. So we win or we die. We are going to launch our beta, we are going to raise that money. I also feel confident about the capabilities of the team, about my own skills as well, the skills of my co-founder. So part of this video is telling you the actual state of shares, but also expressing the mindset that we have. So again, we have to be transparent with the rest of the company, but we also have to transmit that confidence that we are doing everything that is in our hands. We are doing everything that is under our control in order to achieve the goals and keep building share. So again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give me a like. I'll be happy to read your comments, leave them down below. If you are a KOL that want to try out the chat, let me know. If you're an investor and you think that our project is interesting, let me know as well. Thanks guys for being here, and see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.